The Maksuum variations. As you see on the screen right now, you'll see the 4 beats in this Maksuum. Okay? Now I'm going to explain that today's lesson is going to be on the 4 placements that you can use on the 1, E and Da. Okay? If you notice, the card is going to be on the 1. The second exercise I'm going to show you is going to be on the E, and then the and then the A. 1, E and Da. Okay? That's where your card is going to be hitting while you're still playing the Maksuum with the right hand. So let's go. Ready? Okay, so hopefully you got that. Now on the second, it's going to be on the 1E, okay? The third is going to be on the N now. Ready? Okay, moving on. Now we have on the 1E and A. Okay? Okay? 1E and A. Let's go. Okay? Now, if I have gone too fast for you, go back, watch it again, and just start slowly on each of these variations. And then you can try mixing them up into just starting to feel them out and starting to improv on this drum. This is what we're here to do. And so this is very basic, and this is something that's important for you to learn. This is not even incorporating the text or the split fingers yet, which it's an optional thing. If you want to go that route, that's cool. It gives you more creativity and more tones, I think. But this is just for the very basic. I think that all drummers should learn these phrases just to give you more foundation and confidence in the rhythm of what you're doing and playing, and more interesting sounds when it comes to the... It's just an interesting placement of the card there, so I think it's going to give you more of your style, and it's going to keep you creative and unique. So let's put these 4 together, and let's just mix them up, okay? So I'll play 4 of each, okay? Starting with a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'll go on to the other 3 I've shown you. But I'll play to the metronome so you guys can play along. .120, so it's going to be this speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. So hopefully you found this video today very helpful for your journey, and if you like to hit me up and let me know if there's anything that you want to actually learn or you want me to talk about more of, or show you any lessons, let me know in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like, thumbs up, and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next vid. See you later.